Hello there, so today's video will teach you how to get a one-state RP modded version for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm pretty broke, but I'm going to show you guys how to download the mod. So this works on iOS and Android. It's super insane. So as you can see, we can get free coins, VIP, skip ads. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It fully works, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. This is pretty easy. So I'm just going to enable unlimited coins and they should start to go up. So let's see if our coins rise. And then I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your phone. So as you can see, they're going up. That's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get straight into the video because this fully works, guys, and it is so cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's pretty easy. You just want to go ahead and go to tweakmod.com. I believe it's on this website, and type in one-state-rp. Press install and time for verification. So this is the last step, guys. In order to install something as mighty as this, we have to verify that we're real. And to do that, we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're completely for free and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and download here, as you can see. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. All right. So it should be pretty much done in a moment. So I'm just going to wait. As you can see, all right. So now it's time to do the verification. So we just got to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. So as you can see, it says missing files, additional files are required. So there's all these apps, so just download 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but yeah, you can see right here. Just press on it, and this one, Misplay, says down install, play 4 games for 5 minutes. TikTok says down install, use for 3 days. Text Now says install and make a 30-second call within 24 hours. So there's lots of them, guys. So if one of them is totally against who you are, there's probably a different one that will better suit your needs. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get the mod. There's also VIP, skip ads, so it's pretty advanced. I've tried a couple different one-state RP modded versions, and they mostly suck. A lot of them get outdated fast and stop working, but this one's fine. I haven't been banned or anything, as there is anti-ban tech in here, so I shouldn't be getting banned. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, fully works. So that's how to get a one-state RP hack for iOS and Android, guys. So yeah, it's updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to tell your friends about it if they play one-state RP as well, because we need to bring together the larger one-state RP community, and then we can dominate, and they won't be able to charge money anymore for these in-app purchases, right? So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, and it's iOS and Android supported. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.